Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make this really cute gift card holder. So this is the front, and then you open it, and then the gift card holder is right over here. Isn't that sweet? So this idea came from Tammy Beard. I'd seen her project on Pinterest, and I fell in love with it. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I went ahead and cut out the little candy and the little cupcakes from the How Sweet It Is designer paper. And let me show you how I did that. These images are really easy to cut out. I'm going to cut this cupcake out really quick and just show you how I did that. Okay, so there's the cupcake. And then this is the opposite side of this designer paper. So you have the really cute festive cupcakes and candy. And then you have the other side, which is the Costa Cabana polka dots. All right, so that's what I did. So I cut out the cupcakes and I put dimensionals on them already. And then I already stamped the greeting. Time for a spectacular celebration. And this is also from the Birthday Cheer stamp set, which is right here. And then we're going to stamp the inside of the card with the hooray, hippie, and cheers for you. So then this stamp set, Birthday Cheer, and the designer paper, How Sweet It Is in the Occasions catalog right now until June 3rd. And then I cut out the Time for a Spectacular Celebration with the basic black cardstock with the layering oval dies. So we're going to be making the Highland Heather and the Melon Mambo version instead of the Costa Cabana and the Bermuda Bay, which is that one. So the Highland Heather is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then your Melon Mambo is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. Then your piece of designer paper is cut at 3 1/4 by 12, and we're going to score that together. And then a piece of Whisper White for the inside, which is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. That's going to go on the inside right here. And we're just going to go ahead and stamp, get that out of the way, and we'll put that on the inside of the card. Just going to go ahead and stamp that right here in the center. And we're going to go ahead and put this on the inside of the Highland Heather. All right, so let's grab our paper trimmer. All right, so now we're going to take our 12-inch side across the top. Let me open up the arm really quick. And we're going to score this at 5.5 and 10. Okay, and this is going to fold over the card. Let me show you here. So this is going to go on the front. And you're going to position it between the 3/4 inch Melon Mambo piece. And then this piece is going to go onto the inside. And then your 2-inch score line is going to fold up to make your little pocket for your gift card. So let's move our trimmer. All right, so before we put our card together, we're going to, if you have this piece right here and it's cut the right side facing up, so my candy dishes are upside down, as you can tell. So I went ahead and cut a piece of the same designer paper, just in case that happened. And I'm just going to put that over top of that Melon Mambo piece right there. Okay, and then we're going to take the 1-inch circle punch. We're going to make a little finger hole here. I'm just going to punch about 1/4 of the circle out, making sure that's center, just like that. Okay, all right, and then we're going to go ahead and put this onto the front. So you're going to position the front first, and then however it falls on the back is where it's going to be for the inside. All right, so that looks really good right there. So we're just going to go ahead and put adhesive on this back panel here. Okay, so I'm just positioning that designer paper between that Melon Mambo to get it centered. And then on the back side is where we're going to make our little pocket for our gift card. So you're going to need some liquid glue. I find that this works really nice, and I'm just going to put a strip of it, of the liquid glue, along the 2 edges. Remember, this is making a pocket, so you want to have the center part of the designer paper free from adhesive. So your pocket will hold the gift card, just like that. So just hold that together just for a couple seconds. Doesn't take very long. Now this, on the finished card here, I added 2 little mini glue dots on the back side so it holds it in place. But you can just actually have that free flowing if you wanted. And then we're just gonna go ahead and put a gift card in that right now so you can see that it holds the gift card. All right, now it's just a matter of decorating the card. So let's go ahead and do that. Bring in all our little cupcake and candies. We're gonna pop up the greeting on the front. And then it's just a matter of positioning all the little goodies around that greeting on the front and then also decorating the inside. I did put a little tiny mini dimensional on the bottom of this sucker here. And then the candies and the cupcakes all got regular size dimensionals. Isn't that cute? All right, and then open up the inside. And then I put the candies on the pocket part and then the little lollipop here on the side where the greeting is. So, but you could really decorate it however you want. It's just so cute. And then this one is just going to get adhesive. This is just going to balance over here. How cute! Don't you love it? Now, if you want to put your 2 mini glue dots, you can put 1 on each corner, and then that will secure that in place, just like that, to hold your pocket down, so when you're opening and closing it, it doesn't flap around. But I kind of like it. All right, so there's the Highland Heather and the Melon Mambo version, and then here's the Costa Cabana with the Bermuda Bay. So cute. All right, so if you have any questions, just let me know. And then I'll also have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by and we'll see you later. Bye.